Hey doing? My name is Adam Gargano. Today's topic is going to be on fire alarm systems. Um, when we deal with fire alarm systems, the purposes of fire alarms is to obviously detect fires, to notify occupants of fires, notify a fire department, and also operate other fire safety functions, such as uh, door releases, the kinds you find in hospitals. Now, also, you have some basic components of the fire alarm system. You have smoke detectors, which I'm not going to go into the different types, but you also have heat detectors, manual pull stations, you have the fire alarm panels itself, the water flow switches, and also, like I said before, the door releases. And these are going to be the initiation devices. Now, you have notification appliances, and these consist of usually strobe lights, horns, sirens, um, speakers, now, or a combination of those. So when you go into a scene of a fire alarm, you may see the actual strobe going off, and also at the same time, you're going to hear an audible alarm. Now, also, the fire alarm system itself should monitor the operation of the automatic sprinklers, and they have to be in a connected to a as a separate zone. And now, in the panel itself, which I'll get to in a second, Um, if there's a problem with the automatic sprinklers, it's going to show up as a supervisory mode. And supervisory mode, when it lights up, is just like I said, it's usually a problem with the fire detection systems, and not trouble mode. Trouble mode is for more of circuit problems, and something needs to be inspected in that area. So, what are the automatic sprinklers are going to be in uh, supervisory mode. Now, as far as the control panels itself, you're going to have a conventional panel, and these are the ones that you're going to find on small business occupancies. But they're very just generalized as zones of where the problem is coming from. You also so when you have larger complexes and structures, high-rise buildings, you're going to have addressable analog systems, and they're very more specific as to where the actual problem is coming from. Um, as in opposed to the conventional ones where it gives a very vague area. You have to like search around. The addressable analog will, it's also known as an intelligence system, and will give you very specific areas to where to go. Um, Now, these alarm systems are monitored usually off-site. The best ones are off-site, where by a central station. So when the alarm goes off, the central station is notified, and then the central station will in turn notify dispatch, and dispatch will then notify the appropriate units to respond to that particular fire alarm. Um, and also, fire alarms, these panels and systems need to be inspected regularly according to NFPA 72. And you'll usually see the fire inspectors that, every once in a while you'll go on there and they'll be inspecting these systems, and all components need to be inspected and make sure they're actually working and prepared for the event of fire. Anyway, that has been my instructional video on fire alarm systems. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.